My brother's about to take the college entrance exam. I plan to buy a Huawei Nova 14 Pro after the exam to play with.
Play PUBG, can you help me check if this phone lags when playing PUBG? Okay, no problem. The college entrance exam is coming up soon, so don't look at your phone these days. I've got it arranged for you. Let's first look at the appearance. As for the screen, it's 6.78 inches. Quad curve resolution of 2776 by 1224 with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Up top, it's got the frame material is high.
Composite materials with molecules and metals. So this phone is not squared off, and no matter how you try to set it upright on a flat surface, it won't stand. But in terms of grip, hey, it doesn't hurt your hand. The rear cover material with this ripple effect, this pink one, has a 50 million pixel quad camera. This unit I have is 12 plus 510. Second one, let's just simply take a little shot. So I'll check, alright, this small black spot got captured too. Then it has a side fingerprint unlock design, and my system version is 5.0.1. It has a 5,500 milliampere hour battery and 100 watt charging. Then there's the benchmarking software I can't use, nor do I know how to use it, and I can't find it in the App Store either. And as for this small red dot, don't even mention it. Can't use it, and I don't know how to use it either. There, right there. Let's look at the game part. HDR Extreme, High Definition Extreme, Balanced Extreme, OK Smooth at 90 frames, we're playing smoothly at 90 frames. As for 25.1 power level 64, let's start directly. Okay guys, we're entering the game. This route, oh, no problem. Very good, I just like this.
A route like this, let's move sideways in the game. Let's see, 90. And the frame rate when it shakes is still okay, but as for the frame drop at the starting point, there is definitely a slight drop. Based on my observation, I can probably notice it just a little. When it shakes at the starting point, it's still fine and can keep up with the speed of my hands, I think. Playing the game now, without the small red dot on this, feels a bit awkward.
Feels like something's missing. Okay guys, let's get started with the pipeline directly. A few people landing. Wait a moment, I'll check after he disappears. 21 people. Alright, no problem. Okay, it's busy down there. Let's find them directly. We're all people. Walking inside to the left, there's a bot. Take it out directly. Take a quick look. No problem.
Okay, two directly turned a big V into a box. There's another one coming from behind. No worries, guys. I'll be right back. I'll find him and finish him off. I didn't finish off that person earlier just to take him out this time. Okay, I can't see him. Probably he's turned into a box by now. Hey, let's go through the smoke, brothers. We'll take care of this one first. There's one right here. Take him out through the smoke.
Okay, no rush in the last round. He's already gone. Hey, Max, let's... Oh, here comes one, and da. Directly through the smoke. Got another one in one shot. Heh. There are currently 15 people left. No rush. Let's switch to smaller bullets first.
Okay, excellent performance. Eliminated one right away. Instantly took him out again, Max. One on the left, one in the room on the right. Did you hear that, guys? Well, that works too. Let's go for a little sneak attack.
Here it comes. There's one. Where's the other one? No rush.
Oh my gosh. 5, 6...
Three brothers. Okay, brothers, I'll play one more round and then stop recording. I'll show you this. In a moment, we'll see how the power consumption and heating are. Played for 17 minutes. Now it feels not as smooth as it was at the beginning. Does it seem locked at 60? I feel like the responsiveness isn't right. Okay, it's now 43.5 degrees.
Okay, I originally played for 29 minutes. In terms of the game, the phone has a temperature of 44.2 degrees and the battery went from 100 to 54%, consuming 10%. From my experience, do you think it's okay to play with 90 frames per second? Personally, I feel it is definitely better than 60 frames. See if you can accept playing chicken with 90 frames. The responsiveness when playing...
It's okay. If you can comfortably handle 90 frames per second, then you might consider it. But if you're aiming for 120 frames per second, don't think about it.